In this video, I will be showing you how to trim a video using Adobe Premiere Pro. But before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to this channel and turn on notifications to watch my videos every week. To get started, I have added a video clip on my timeline. I'm going to begin by showing you the very basic trim and get more complicated as I go. You can start by clicking on the selection tool, which is right over here, and now you have to move your marker tool to where you would like to make your trim. And now you just simply, by clicking on the video, you just got to drag your beginning of the video and you can get your trim. And now to play your video, just simply bring back your marker point to 0 and drag your video back. You can also make this adjustment to the end of your video by moving your marker tool and dragging your sequence to your marker tool place. And now let's say you don't want a clip which is in the middle of your video. So what you got to do is move your pointer towards the area you don't want your video and select the razor tool from the tool section or by pressing C on your keyboard, and now you just simply make the cuts which you don't want and head over to your tools panel and select the selection tool and select your video clip and simply press the delete button from your keyboard. And yep, there you go, that's your trim for the video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to leave a like in this video and I hope to see you in next week's video.